Hello, and welcome to the Tetra Science SIMPLO video series, where we'll explain how the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud can help you visualize chromatography data. Members of chromatography labs, including lab managers, technicians, and analysts, are often faced with issues that arise due to a lack of centralized and harmonized data. The Tetra Scientific Data Cloud addresses these issues by collecting your chromatography data into a single centralized location and engineering it into Tetra data. This contextualizes raw instrument output with sample, method, and instrument metadata and harmonizes the data into a vendor-agnostic format that is analytics and AI ready. With a SIMPLO dashboard powered by the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud, all of your chromatography data can be visualized, compared, and analyzed in a matter of minutes. In just a moment, you'll see examples of these visualizations that demonstrate how our SIMPLO dashboards can lead to faster and better scientific and business outcomes, such as reduced out-of-spec results, more accurate shelf life prediction, increased lab productivity, and lastly, increased compliance and reduced risk. The dashboard I'm about to show you focuses on system usage, which is important to lab managers and purchasing decision makers who want to monitor the usage of any chromatography systems under their purview. To run a lab efficiently, it's necessary to have a good overview of the utilization of your instrument fleet. This visibility helps team and lab leads forecast workloads and plan projects. Beyond the team unit, the site or business leads will often require utilization metrics to compare fleet utilization across laboratories and identify shared systems that could be bottlenecks in the operation. However, without access to actual instrument usage data, utilization metrics are typically compiled from surrogate data sources such as informal or oral surveys from end users, individual instrument usage logs, and file counts of run reports. From these, surrogate utilization data can be created and compiled into spreadsheets, which can then be used to generate a utilization dashboard of sorts. Quite a tedious and time-consuming exercise. If there are tens to hundreds of chromatography systems involved, which is typical for a site or a business unit, it's almost impossible to compile data for all of them and obtain a comprehensive look at utilization. In a typical lab, it may take anywhere from 8 to 16 hours each week to compile the data. Scaling to the business or site level requires multiple people performing this activity, a combined effort totaling 1 to 2 full-time equivalents. At the end of the day, the accuracy of the data may not even be good enough due to the data collection methodology. The Tetra Scientific Data Cloud provides accurate, near real-time information that can help you gain insight into the overall fleet utilization and guide you on future capital expenditure. In this dashboard, we can see all the relevant data and metadata for all chromatography runs performed on every instrument that is connected to the instance of the chromatography data system. You can now answer questions related to ongoing projects, deployed instruments, method sets, completed sample sets, and relevant column information, all in one dashboard. Historical cumulative runtimes for all systems are captured and contextualized with the relevant time periods. The runtimes can be interrogated more effectively by zooming in on the time scale, using the filter in the top left. The chart clearly shows the relative utilization rates of each system and which systems are heavily utilized, especially those shared by multiple projects. Methods that have been used across the systems and their associated runtimes can also be viewed. The number of injections per system can provide direct insight into cumulative wear and tear, and perhaps lead you to reassess strategies for preventative maintenance. And by clicking on the individual data points, you can explore the associated methods and the number of injections for each project. These visualizations of system usage are just a glimpse of what the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud can enable for your laboratories. That concludes this demonstration of the Tetra Science SIMPLO dashboards. Please email demo@tetrascience.com if you have any questions or would like to schedule a live demonstration. Thanks for watching.